Hello, today's topic is Teams and how to create channels in your Teams class. I am your host, Wendy Vasquez with QU Easy Instruction. I've gone into my Teams, and these are all of the groups that I'm a part of. We created this team classroom in a previous video. When I click into this Teams classroom, I can see the previous posts that were in there in chat from the last video. I'm going to come up to 2021 homeroom, the name of the class, into the three blueberries or ellipse, the three dots right here where it has more options, and I'm going to click, not right click, just regular click, and I'm going to click on add a channel. This is also where I can manage the team, add members, so that would be my students, and do all these, but I'm just going to add a channel. And for this purposes, this is where I'm going to do my small groups for reading. So I'm going to have a blue group. I would not define who is in this blue group here because the description is public. But I will go ahead and just leave that blank. And now I have to decide on privacy. If I don't want all of my kids to be able to get into my blue group, I'm going to click and change privacy from standard to private. This means that only the students that I put into the blue group will even see the blue group. So for the blue group, I'm going to make it private and hit next. As it adds the channel, you'll see that here I can add the students. I can type in their names, first name or last name, and it'll look up all the names, all the children with those names. Or I can type in their 06 numbers. In Broward, we use a 06 number. It's their FSI number. I can also add a teacher here. So if I have a partner teacher, departmentalized, or a reading resource person, my literacy coach that I want to add, I can do that here. I am going to skip this step just for right now. And now you'll notice I have the general tab, and I have the general channel and the blue group channel. In here, you'll notice I also have the ability to meet with this channel. Now I'm going to add another channel, and we'll call this the yellow group. In this case, I want the yellow group to be a fluid group. This is a group that I'm going to be pulling in and out different students. So I'm just going to make this automatically show on everyone's channel list. And you'll notice it gives me the same options, and I can add those students later. Because this is open to everyone, everyone can see it, so I didn't have to add the students. But it will give me the options here later on to do different things. And you'll notice that there's a lock here and no lock here. That shows me that one is private and one is open to everyone in this team. As a side note, if I create a meeting and it's in the blue group and it's private, or even if it's in the general group and it's still a private channel, I can give that link to anybody in the world to log in. However, we're going to be talking about how to keep people in the lobby in the next video. That is going to stop people from just coming into your meetings. Additionally, if I'm not one of the students or teachers in this group, I can't use the chat function. So that's just another layer of protection. So that's how I create my channels, private channels for those that I want to just put together. And those are, I'm going to be working maybe my tier 3 students, my ESOL students, something to that effect. And then my other channels that might be more fluid groups. I can also do math groups. If I'm a secondary teacher, I could do period 1, period 2, period 3 for, let's say, algebra. And this has been today's tech tip in under 5 minutes, how to create channels in Teams. I am Wendy Vasquez. If you have other questions or other videos that you'd like me to make, go ahead and leave a comment and I will gladly make those videos for you. Thank you and have a great day.